Hi y'all, welcome back to 100 Days of Halloween, day 9, I believe. I believe it's day 9. Excuse me. So, last night's movie was The Night of the Hunter. I'm really sucking at picking movies. Like, literally, I just go down a list, I put Halloween in, and last year, I think I kicked, sorry if y'all, that's Haggard's Tale. But last year I just went down and did exactly what I did this time, which was just put in horror and write down movies. Well, I'm not starting out so good this year. What was it? The Night of the Hunter. It sounded like it might be scary, even maybe at least suspenseful, but it was very anticlimactic as far as I'm concerned, and so I did not care for it. Not at all. But if you're into watching it, and because you don't want to watch a scary movie, it was an okay movie. It was just anticlimactic and was not what I was looking for. So, let's see. So, I made a pumpkin, my first pumpkin of the year, and I'm going to link the tutorial I used down below, but it's one of my favorite patterns. To make pumpkins with. It's so simple. So there's my pumpkin. I used this, I'm not sure, this was a Caron 1-pounder. I can't remember the green color, but it was a Caron. And then this is a red heart in the color fall. Oh, there's Sasha now too. Okay, so the movie for tonight is Terrifier on ROKU. So yeah, if you don't have the ROKU app, download it. And Okay, Sasha, Terrifier is our movie for tonight. I love y'all. Stay spooky. Bye.